Hi everyone. Today's video is for anyone getting ready to meet their long-distance partner in person for the very first time. It's exciting, emotional, and a little scary. But don't worry, I've got a step-by-step guide to help you plan this special journey. Before you book anything, spend time learning about your partner's country. Understand the culture, basic etiquette, and local laws, especially those related to dating, relationships, or even public displays of affection. Make sure the timing works well for both of you. Avoid holidays, local exams, or busy work seasons. Give your partner enough time to prepare emotionally and logistically. When booking flights and hotels, keep your partner involved. If you're meeting in their city, ask for neighborhood recommendations. Consider staying in a hotel or Airbnb for the first few days until you're both comfortable. This is crucial. Talk openly about what both of you expect from the visit. Will you meet their family? Spend time alone? Travel around? Set boundaries in advance to avoid misunderstandings. Bring a small, meaningful gift from your country. Learn a few basic words in your partner's language. It shows respect and effort. Dress appropriately for their culture and climate. When you finally meet, take it slow. Don't expect instant chemistry or perfect comfort. This is a real-life moment, not a movie. Focus on connection, not perfection. Explore the city together, try new foods, meet friends or family if appropriate. Balance romance with real conversations about your future. Saying goodbye is hard, but it doesn't have to be heartbreaking. Set a time to talk after the trip. Discuss your next steps. Will you visit again? Start a visa process? Define your path forward. So, if you're getting ready to meet your partner for the first time, congratulations. It's a big step, and I'm so excited for you. For more resources, guidance, and to connect with sincere, family-oriented women from around the world, make sure to visit bride-woman.net. You'll find real profiles, helpful tips, and a safe environment for building serious relationships. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it helped you. I'd love to hear your thoughts and plans in the comments below.